Welcome back to the lesson DHTML and CSS. In this module, we will discuss about text indent property, text align property, and text decoration property in CSS. The text indent property allows us to apply an indent to the first line of the paragraph. Example, to apply 60px indentation to first line of paragraph, the following code will be used. Let us see. Now we are going to give CSS text indent property to p tag. For this, type the code inside the CSS file. P as selector, inside curly braces, text indent property, property value 60px. Save CSS file. Now we want to link to this CSS file from HTML file by using link tag inside the head section. Save HTML file. Now we'll double click on this HTML file to see the result. From this output, we can see the first line of paragraph with the 60px indentation. Text align. The text align property gives the same effect as attribute align gives in all the versions of HTML. The text can either be aligned to the left, to the right, or center of the screen. In the example below, all headlines marked with H1 tag will be shown in right aligned, and headlines marked with H2 tag will be shown in center aligned, and all headlines marked with H3 tag will be shown in justified. Let us see. Now we are going to give CSS text align property to H1, H2 and H3 tags. For this, type the code inside CSS file. H1 tag as a selector, inside curly braces, text align property, property value right. H2, text align property, property value center. H3, property text align, property value justify. Save CSS file. Now we want to link to this CSS file from HTML file by using link tag inside the head section. Save HTML file. Double click on this HTML file to see the result. Text decoration. The text decoration property makes it is possible to add different decorations or effects to text. For example, we can underline the text, have a line through or above the text, etc. In the following example, H1 tag are underlined headlines, H2 tag are headlines with a line above the text, and H3 tag are headlines with a line through the text. Let us see. Now we are going to give text decoration property to H1, H2 and H3 tags. Type CSS code. H1 property text decoration, property value underline. H2 text decoration property, property value overline. H3 text decoration property, property value line through. Save this CSS file. Then link CSS file from HTML file by using link tag inside the head section. Now save the HTML file. Double click on this HTML file to see the result. From this output, heading 1 are underlined headlines, heading 2 are headlines with a line above the text, and heading 3 are headlines with a line through the text. In this video, we have learned text indent property, text align property, and text decoration property.